Dear children, a hearty welcome to you all. In the previous part of the lesson, the festivals of Northeast India, we have enjoyed the festivals and dances of the scenic state Arunachal Pradesh. In today's class, we will learn about the festivals of Manipur, a state popularly known as the land of jewels. Let us read the text first. The text SGP 5. A charming festival of Manipur, Ningal Chakoba, binds and revives the relationships between married girls and their parents. The women and their children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. During Cheroba, the Manipur New Year festival in April, people clean and decorate the houses and prepare special festive dishes. As part of the ritual, the villagers climb the nearest hilltop, for they believe that this will help them rise to a higher plane in life. Notes and Glossary SGP 5. Charming, pleasant, revive, to make something of past exist again, renew. Sumptuous, very rich and with a lot of variety, especially a meal. Feast, a very large meal. Ritual, religious rites or customary ways of celebrating a religion. Higher plane, progress and development of consciousness. Uchchatara Chetana. Summary SGP 5. The festival of married girls and their parents, Ningal Chakoba, is one of the famous festivals of Manipur. It is known as the Festival of Family Reunion. The women and their children are offered with a rich feast with a variety of food and a lot of gifts. Dear children, Ningol means married women and Chakoba means an invitation for feast. So, in this festival, the daughters and the grandchildren are invited by their parents to have a grand feast together. Children, another festival known as the Cheroba is the New Year festival in Manipur. People clean and decorate their homes. They prepare delicious festive dishes. The villagers climb the nearest hilltops in a belief to achieve higher planes in life. Now, dear children, answer these questions. Which festival in Manipur establishes a family bond? How are the married daughters and their children treated during Ningol Chakoba? Which is the New Year festival in Manipur? What do people of Manipur do during the celebration of Cheroba? Now, the answers to these questions are as follows. The festival Ningal Chakoba in Manipur establishes a family bond. During Ningal Chakoba, the married daughters and the children are given a sumptuous feast and gifts. The New Year festival in Manipur is Cheroba. During Cheroba, the people of Manipur clean and decorate their homes. They prepare special festive dishes. Thank you.